Hello and welcome back to my channel, Cards by Melissa Minor. I have a huge scrapbook.com haul. What did I buy? We're going to take a look at everything that I purchased. Now, if you see something that you like, I will have product links listed down below in the description box, and I do appreciate any time you shop my links, as I do receive a small commission, and that does help really support me and my YouTube channel. All right, let's dive in and take a look at all the products that I purchased. All right, first up, I do have these envelopes, and I got two different sizes. This first one here, these are the medium-sized storage envelopes. They are 6 by 8 3/4. They're sturdy, durable plastic envelopes. I like to store ephemera in these, and I also like to store a lot of my stamps and dies in these envelopes. So I did purchase these in a pack of 5. They come in packs of 10 as well. And then these are the 13 by 13 storage envelopes. I also got these in a pack of 5. They come in packs of 10 and in other colors. And I store my 12 by 12 papers in here. I like to store my paper collections with all the extra bits and pieces. Next up, I have two different alpha sets. These are the Pink Fresh Studio Puffy Alpha stickers. There are 197 stickers in here. This is the Simple Things collection. And look at all the stickers that you get. They're kind of like a green color. And then this one, these are the Vicky Bouton Thickers. There's 142 in here. These are white. I already used a couple of these. This is the Mixed Media collection from American Crafts. And I absolutely love both of these. They're going to be great for making titles on my scrapbook layouts. Love these. All right, next up, let me bring in the next products here. I have this. This is the Vicky Bouton Wear to Next Stencils. So this one is a fun like sunburst stencil. And then these are like some rainbows. And then the next one, let's see, I don't know how to describe this one. Maybe like seashells. So I can use maybe some texture paste or just some inks. I don't know if I'll use these for cards or scrapbook pages or maybe both. I just really thought these were cool, and so I threw these in my cart. Didn't really have anything particular in mind, but I like them, and so I got them. Okay, the next thing I purchased was this 49 in Market collection. I picked up the 49 in Market Lavender Laser Cut Elements. There's 124 in here. There's butterflies, florals, photo wraps, bows, buttons, tabs, and more. My boyfriend and I recently went to a lavender field, and I cannot wait to scrapbook all of our lavender pictures. And so I thought this ephemera pack would be perfect to scrapbook. I thought these would be cute on the layout. And then I also picked up this 49 in Market Color Swatch Lavender 12 by 12 paper pack. Now there's 8 double-sided papers in here. There's 4 designs, 2 each. You know what? Let me go ahead and just open this up and let's take a look at these papers. I haven't even opened this, so we're getting a first look together. All right, let's look here. So we've got, ooh, beautiful lavender pieces here, and it looks like there's some butterflies. And you know what, when we were at the lavender fields, there were lots of butterflies around. This is really pretty. I like this one. I like how there's like that mixed media background on the 49 in Market papers already on there. Okay, let me flip these over and let's take a look at the other side. Now this side looks more neutral. So here's the purple. And then this one looks like there's some text in here as well. It's kind of faint. Let me hold it up to the camera so you can kind of see that. I love that. And then here's some more text on here. These are really pretty. These are going to be perfect for documenting those pictures that I have, and I really cannot wait to use these. All right, this is super cool. This is called Sticky Specs. And I saw Dorothy over at Scrapbooking Quebec. I saw on her channel that she uses these when she picks up her little die cut pieces and she puts them on her pages. And so I really can't wait to try this out. So you'll be seeing me do this on my YouTube channel soon, and we'll give it a try and see how well these work. You get 4 sheets in here, but what I've seen is you just tap your die cuts on there and they make them sticky, so you don't have to use glue or any other kind of adhesive. So I'm super excited to try these. All right, next up, oh, I love this. This might be my favorite thing that I purchased. This is Simple Stories Color Vibe Woods Paper Pack. You get 6 sheets, they're 12 by 12, and there's different colors of wood in here. There's aspen, birch, cedar, hickory, elm, and walnut. And so I don't know which is which, I don't know my woods, but let's take a look at each of these. Wow, these are awesome. So I love mixing in different wood textures into my pages. And so, you know, you can always use wood with any kind of paper pack. So this is always just a good thing to have. So I kind of wish I would have picked up 2 of these. Like I said, this is my favorite thing that I purchased. And then look at the back, like paper and ledgers. These are also really usable. I can see myself using this a lot. Yes, this was a really good purchase, and I think it was only maybe $5 for this. This was a great bargain. All right, next up, this is the Simple Stories Color Vibe Collection Kit. And this one, oh, no. Oh, this is the Have a Nice Day from Echo Park. You get 12 double-sided papers, and look at this. It's so like fun and funky with all these fun smiley faces. So let's take a look at all the papers. So this must be the B side. So these are more of like the neutrals. So pretty. I love all the bright, vibrant colors. This is from Echo Park. There's some smiley faces. Ooh, I like that one. I really don't know what I'm going to use this for, but when I saw it, it just made me smile with all these smiley faces, so I knew I had to have it. All right, let me flip these over so we can take a look at the other side. And this must be the A side because these are a lot more, they're a lot more busy. So we've got some flowers and some sunshine. And then it looks like there's some cut aparts here. So I like these. And some stripes. More florals with some smiley faces, more cut aparts. These are really nice. I can see me using these on cards too. These will be great for cards and scrapbook layouts. I really like this. All right, that was Have a Nice Day Collection Kit by Echo Park. Next up, this is Cartabella, the 4th of July, and this has 12 double-sided pages and a sticker sheet. This is going to be great for documenting the 4th of July photos. And if this is sold out, which I think it's selling out very quickly, the last time I looked, on the website, I believe you can get some of these pieces of this collection individually. So be sure to check that out. Wow, look at this page with all the stars. Whew, I love that. And my daughter's softball team, her colors are red, white, and blue. So not only can I use this for 4th of July layouts, I'm also thinking like I could use this for softball. Ooh, except for this one. That's definitely 4th of July. I love that flag paper. So pretty. Look at all the stars. There's a nice plaid. Some red. There's some stripes. And then we've got a navy. And then let's take a look at the other side. Look at that, like pinwheels. That's so pretty. Then there's a cut apart sheet. I love the old time trucks. And then there's a plaid. And then look at this sheet with all these old time trucks. That's super cute. And then another cut apart sheet. Oh, and I like all these popsicles. That's cute. That would be cute on cards too. And then fireworks. Another cut apart sheet. I like that big flag cut apart. That'll be great on a page. This is super cute. I could use that as a background itself, or just cut it in half and maybe put one strip on one side and one on the other. I love that. Ooh, nice fireworks. This is neat. I could put that as strips on a page. I can see so many ideas just flowing through my head already for this pack. I love it. And I love the stickers too. Cartabella, the 4th of July. All right, and then I picked up this Let's Celebrate word dies. I love the font on this Happy Birthday and Let's Celebrate. I have some other scrapbook.com word dies that I absolutely love, and I've been using them a lot, so that was a great purchase. And then this is the Sunny Lane floral dies. You get 27 florals in here. I have one that's similar with florals, but you can never have enough florals. And this was a must-have on my list. I've been seeing other crafters use this set, and I had to have it too. I love it. So I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of that one. Now this right here, this is the Playful cardstock. There's 40 sheets, 5 of each color. This is 3.5 by 8.5. I think this was a freebie in one of my orders, but still I'm listing it here. I do love it. And then this right here, this also might have been free in my order, but I really like this. And when I typed it in on the website, there's so many different things that you can add on to it. I did see that the 6x8 paper pad was out of stock, but I did list the 12x12 down below. This is the Simple Stories Crafty Things. There's lots of ephemera bits and pieces and other things that you can get. This will be great for crafting like crops and stuff. And these are the Concord and Ninth gold enamel dots. You get 75 in here. I already have the silver ones, so I knew I wanted those. So I will have product links listed down below. Again, I appreciate when you shop my links. I do earn a small commission, and that helps support me and my YouTube channel. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Feel free to leave me a comment. I enjoy reading all your comments. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everyone.